What is it that I love and enjoy about living on the canal in the months of autumn? Well, you're about to find out. The break of dawn, calm, cool, fresh, a vitalizing start to the day. Skyscape views of changing colours takes my breath away. Sunrise, where warm and cold embrace. The mist gently softens the outlines with such grace. The blended fruits of nature, creating stairways to and from the clouds and beyond. Sparkling, glistening gems on a fine silk thread, a necklace of woven webs. The breath of nature releases the weak. Leaves dance as they fall and continue in the circle of life beneath. In this month of organic, sweet perfume decay, I'm warmed within by the vibrant, colourful display. Autumn, a time for change, to accept what comes and goes, setting intentions, turning a new page in this magnificent autumn show.